What is up, guys? Welcome back to another Mario's YouTube vlogs. Yeah, for today's vlog, what we're gonna be doing is installing a downpipe on my friend's Forester. So I'll show you guys just what it looks like. Alright guys, so we're kind of already started off. We took off the top mount intercooler already. So yeah, we're trying to take that downpipe off because L emissions. There's mi amigo Emerson. We call him Jesus.
Hello, sir.
We call him Jesus. How many people does it take to fix one Subaru? 1, 2, 3, 4, and myself. Yeah. I'm
Try
just.
not to drop that nut because I think it's
Yeah. Don't drop what? Your nuts?
drop the nuts. All right.
Don't drop your nuts.
Your nuts?
Don't drop them. I'm gonna drop it. I'm gonna fucking drop it.
Don't do it! The Muffin Man!
Back it up, Tara. Back it up.
The fucking breast, like, what the fuck? What the hell going on? Boy, what the hell?
What the hell,
I
boy?
think the rest we can just do from the bottom.
Yeah, but we're gonna be swapping this one out for this one. Yeah, this bad boy passes emissions. Cause this boy won't be loud. Yeah, look at that. Look at this ass. Look at this. Ah, damn. My boy stay clean. No bitches still, but clean. Coin,
I don't know.
do you get bitches, Coin?
Okay, we can try from the bottom.
Coin.
260 billion years ago. Oh yeah.
All right, we got the top bolts off. We're now raising it up just to get the bottom bolts. Yeah. How do you feel, my boy? L emissions?
Easy.
Easy? I don't know, man. It's been a while.
Easy.
Easy? Oh. That says organ donor.
I'm an organ donor. Give me my. Where's my vape? You have my vape? Did Emerson just walk away with my fucking vape?
Do you see this? Look at this fiend.
Give me.
Look at this fiend. I don't have it. No. Yeah, look at the bottom of this.
Might as well try, right? Yeah. Let's get that new one for assurance if you can.
Catless, downpipe, straight pipe,
Straight pipe that bitch, bro.
straight pipe, like you.
Like me. Fuck.
Oh yeah.
It's
You
hitting,
doing?
it's hitting the downpipe, fool.
Oh yeah. Essay.
Fuck, I think it's just in the downpipe when I try to loosen it.
Is it?
Yeah, because you see how like the corners up here?
Just try to get a wrench.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Wrench.
I know you can't see shit right now, but what the hell? We're trying to get that ball right there. Yeah. On today's episode Is It Reeking Oil? Is it reeking oil? No reeks.
Did you take the nut?
What nut? Why do we just keep saying nuts, bro? You like nuts?
I love nuts.
Oh yeah, Cohen loves nuts too.
You fucking.
Say it. You wanna get cancelled? I know what you were gonna say.
What was I gonna say?
I know what you were gonna say.
What was I gonna say?
I know they had a troublemaker 1 and 2, but a third?
Yeah. This is dumb, and dumber.
I'll carry it out while Mario films.
Is this how you do it?
Yeah. Get roll it.
There she goes. Now slide her out the back.
Oh, look at that. Spicy. Yeah.
Tripping.
I want to see your.
All right. All right. Go for it.
No, listen to the cat.
Oh. You can hear the cat moving around there.
Sounds like a damn maraca.
Oh, now it's stuck.
Dude, it's coming.
Dude, it's coming.
Coolest water.
Oh, flashlight. I want to see if we can see it.
Yeah, I was gonna say look into it, see if
I mean, you can see it.
can you?
Yeah.
You can't.
Yeah, it's right there.
Oh yeah,
you
you
can
try to see it.
But
Better
it's,
see it. Straight piped, like you.
I mean, it's basically straight pipe to this point. What the fuck did you just say about me?
Yeah. Look at this bad boy.
Get it in there. Stick it in. I'm doing it. Don't worry.
Oh yeah.
I can't see shit, to be honest.
Oh boy.
Am I almost there?
To your left. To your left. There. Oh, you almost had it.
Not on the right side.
Here, I'll help you.
Yeah, I can't see. Are you looking on that side?
There you go.
There we go. Okay.
Hold on. Don't drop this hole.
Here. You wanna?
Yeah, look at these mechanics.
That shit was on there, boy.
Look at the concentration in his face.
I hate O2 sensors in my fucking life.
Yeah, they do suck.
All right, guys, we got the bolts on from the bottom. We just gotta put it back up from the top. These motherfuckers take forever though. Look at them. Whoa, we're installing the top mount finally.
Finally, bro. This took like.
It's been an hour, dude.
Nah, we started like a little later after 5.
Yeah, that's
Almost
true.
an hour.
It's not bad. All right, we got everything back together. Let's hear it. Let's hear this bad boy. It's gonna sound so quiet. Well, that sounds pretty quiet. No check engine lights.
I didn't know.
Look at this, bro. It's the inside of it. Pretty fucking clean. It smells like Mary Jane. It smells like Mary Jane in there. I do not condone those activities. Test drive.
Wash my mud flaps?
No more.
Oh fuck, I can't even do this, yo.
No more puppy pups.
Yeah.
Damn, you get. Damn! Yeah.
Just pull up my fucking mud flaps.
Dude, this part's fucked now. They fucked the spot up.
Yeah, they did fuck this spot up.
Yeah. Broke his neck.
That motherfucker behind is like, what the fuck?
What the fuck is that? Why don't you just like do like an alignment test drive?
I just didn't want to go out through there because I always scrape on my mud flaps again.
Oh, okay. Oh, so you came this way?
Yeah. Yeah, we'll just go left.
To the left. To the left. To the left. Race car. Damn, shit's so shaky.
I know, it's...
God damn. Shit, that's not.
Alright guys, that's gonna be it for today's YouTube video. Thank you guys all for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed the video as much as I enjoy making them. But besides that, I would really appreciate if you guys would like and comment, follow, share with other friends. Yeah, I'm obviously trying to post more about cars, and I know the first month I posted like 3 videos, but I haven't been posted, but I'm trying to upload more as time goes. I got a few modifications coming up for the car. It's gonna take a while because I am a student, and so it's gonna be hard to save up money just for this car, but I'll keep the progress updated, and I'll see you guys in the next video, and thank you guys all for watching.